make for today's dinner?
See, I made your favorite dinner, Khushi. We have some boiled vegetables, roasted chicken, and freshly baked bread.
This food is so tasty, Mom.
Mom, why do we eat different kinds of food? Is it just because they taste good?
That's a great question, Avnish. We eat different kinds of food because our body needs various nutrients to stay healthy and strong.
Food gives us energy to do our daily activities, helps us grow, and keeps our body functioning properly. Food provides us energy to do work. It helps in our growth. It maintains our body system and repairs the parts of our body that are damaged.
Yes, Mom. Our teacher has taught us that eating healthy food protects us from diseases and keeps us healthy and strong.
Exactly. Every type of food we eat provides different nutrients that our body needs.
There are several important components of food, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water.
Each of these components play a specific role in keeping us healthy.
Dad, will you please explain a bit about these different components of food?
I remember reading an explanation about nutrients in one of the books that says carbohydrates serve as the primary source of energy for our bodies. They are found in a variety of foods such as bread, rice, chocolates, sweets, potatoes, and cereals. These foods help us stay active and perform our daily tasks. People who do physical work need food that contain a lot of carbohydrates, such as laborers, farmers, sportsmen, etc.
What are proteins, Mom?
Proteins are essential for growth and repairing tissues in our bodies, which is why they are known as bodybuilding foods. They help us build muscles and keep our bodies strong. We get proteins from food like meat, fish, cheese, chicken, eggs, beans, and nuts.
Mom, what about fats, vitamins, and minerals?
Fats are also energy-rich nutrients like carbohydrates, but it provides us more energy than carbohydrates that keeps our body warm. Healthy fats are found in foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, butter, ghee, milk, egg yolk, oil, and fish. But we should eat fats in moderation.
You know, kids, extra fat is stored in the body for further use, like a reserve fuel tank that our body can use when needed.
Oh, now I know that. Fats are very useful for us, Mom and Dad.
Exactly. Along with fats, vitamins, and minerals are also important for various body functions. We get minerals and vitamins from fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, curd, almonds, and jaggery. These type of foods are called protective foods. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and common salt are minerals.
Mom, what is the use of calcium in our body?
Calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. Milk, curd, almond, cheese, and paneer are calcium-rich foods.
Oh, that's why we drink milk daily.
Yes, Avnish. You know about roughage or fiber? It is also a healthy nutrient that helps in digestion and keeps our digestive system healthy. It prevents constipation and helps our body to get rid of waste. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are good sources of roughage.
What about water, Mom? Is that also a part of the nutrients?
Water is essential for our body to function properly. It is not counted as nutrient specifically, but it is essential in digestion and keeps our body hydrated. Our body contains almost 70% water. That's why we should drink plenty of water every day. We should consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day.
What is a balanced diet, Dad?
A balanced diet means eating the right amount of food to get all the nutrients that our body needs. It includes a good mix of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The amount of food required by a person depends on their age, gender, and the type of work he or she does.
Eating a variety of foods ensures that we get all the essential nutrients.
Mom, sometimes I wonder how the food is prepared.
Okay, there are many ways to cook food like boiling, frying, roasting, baking, and steaming.
Boiling is cooking food in water at high temperature. It's great for vegetables. For example, rice, pulses, potatoes, eggs, and several green vegetables.
Ooh, I got it.
Next is frying. It involves cooking food in oil, which makes it crispy and tasty. But we should not eat fried food too often.
Roasting is another method of cooking food that uses dry heat where hot air covers the food in an oven or over an open flame, which gives it a nice flavor.
Like chicken, potato, ground nut, and brinjal, Mom?
Yes, Avnish, you are right.
What is baking, Mom?
Baking is another method done in the oven, perfect for bread, cakes, and pastries.
Oh, this is amazing.
Steaming is also one of the methods of cooking food using steam, which keeps most nutrients intact, like idli, dhokla, and momos.